Hello everyone, it's Niall here and welcome to my shed. It's pretty much done. I cleaned this half of the shed, like the half I'm standing in is just down there. It's still a little bit messy, but and there's new windows gonna be putting in now soon as well, so there's that still left to do and level the floor as well, but that's gonna be in the distance, the future a little bit, but I've decided I'm going to paint today. I can see I'm sweating up here, it's very hot up here, it's disgusting. I have a fan on the wall but it's not really doing much. Right there. There. But yeah, I think I'm going to, the first painting I'm going to do is, I think I'm going to do a quad pour. I haven't done a quad pour in a very long time, which is right there behind me. As you can see, there's wood here. I have it propped up on a shelf. It's kind of professional here in the Niall area workshop. But yeah, I'm going to use, I think I'm going to use blues. I haven't done blues in the quad pour yet. I've done reds and yellows, kind of orangey, and I've done greens. The greens was the first one, but I think I'm going to do blue and black. I haven't done blue and black before ever. I've done blue and white but not blue and black, so yeah, I think I'm going to do that. You see, some people ask me what clamps I use. It's these clamps. These are cheap ones. I think I got like, there was 2 in the pack for like €2 or something, in like a dollar store pretty much. But over here it's euro. I think it was called Mr. Price, so on the Irish people, Mr. Price. But yeah, you see over there on the table, I'm starting to put 4 together. There's 2 there right now, so I'm going to do those 2. And then I'm going to use this and put another 2 on it, so technically 3 clamps to make 4. So yeah, let's get right to that, I guess, right?